it is an attempt to dismantle the MG Narega scheme. In Kerala, lakhs of people are working in that scheme. It was a product of the first UPA government, which was supported by the left parties. It is integral part of the common minimum program at that time. Thereafter, several attempts was made by the then governments to reduce the working days and also to reduce the scope of the work. Now, this bill is to dismantle the system itself. Thought they are trying to transfer the burden to the state government and also to limit the scope of the scheme. That is, de facto, it is an attempt to dismantle the scheme. All opposition parties has expressed its opposition to this move. I expect a big protest from the Narega workers and other trade unions and state governments against this undemocratic and attempt of the union government, and it is also against the basic structure of the constitution, federal structure of the constitution.
And Modi government is trying to change the names of many older programs and make it their own. I mean, just by changing the name, all this, because Stalin himself has asked why you are giving this, such long, difficult Hindi words which people can't even pronounce.
This change is not only confined to the changing the name from English to Hindi. This is also removing the memory of our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. MG Narega, that is Mahatma Gandhi's name is there. It is an tribute to him also. Now, the first report was it is included, Bapuji was there. But while introducing the bill, it is clear that Mahatma Gandhi's name is dropped from this scheme. They are afraid the memory of Mahatma Gandhi. They are afraid the memory of the freedom struggle. This government is afraid of the memory of the Nehru. They are afraid the memory of other freedom fighters. They are also afraid the memory of the independence struggle also.
Okay, and sir,